Good welcome guys on Hairdressing Live. I'm Buzassy from Hungary. I'm the artistic director of Lakme Hungary and the founder of Circuit Budapest. So this is the base cutting, but this is one of the most important parts if we cut a bob or if we cut any haircut. So after I'm satisfied with the bob line, I'm going to take another section from here. I will use the point at the top of the head. From here I'm going to take a slightly curved section which ends above the occipital bone. Just a short recap, what we did is a classic bob haircut on the back and also on the sides. I cut a square bob, square heavy bob outline first, and after disconnect a little pieces from the back, in the back, which contains a little piece in the back sections.